How to add movie dialogues in Streamlabs Alert. Adding movie dialogues in Streamlabs Alerts adds a fun and memorable element to your stream, enhancing viewer engagement and entertainment by incorporating iconic lines that resonate with your audience. Now, this is how we are going to do it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and prepare something. So the one that I have prepared here is an image and as well as the audio. So make sure to convert the following file. For example, the image or the video itself, I have converted it to GIF. And then for the audio, I have converted this one to OGG. So these are the file types that we are going to need. Now, you can go ahead and look for that in the internet. It's actually very simple. Now, if the files are ready, you can go ahead and open your Streamlabs and then you're going to go ahead and put it where you want to. For example, in my case, I'm going to put it on my sample scene. And as you can see, I have my alert box here already. So I can go ahead and test it out by clicking the subscribe here button. So we're going to make this a bit bigger. Alright, as of the moment, that is how it looks and that is a default. Now we're going to change that one. Go ahead and click this one here and you're going to go ahead and look for YouTube subscribers. Now here in the YouTube subscribers or any alerts here for that matter, you can go ahead and change them. I'm just going to go ahead and click change the media and then I'm going to go ahead and upload that media file here. So I'm going to put it here. Seems like we can't drag it, so we're going to click this one and we're going to look for it. So it's this one, click open. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and click this one here and now we have selected that one and then click done. So you can see that now we have it here. Now down below you have here your sound, so you're going to go ahead and click change media as well and then you're going to go ahead and click this one and look for that audio to upload it in here. Alright, click it once again and then click done. Alright, now here's how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and basically lower the volume here or mute it a little bit. Alright, now that I have lowered the volume, we're going to go back there. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and test it once more.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, boy.
So as you can see, we have now successfully done it. Again, you can go ahead and customize this one and use whatever media file that you want to use. So congratulations, everybody. That is how you are going to add movie dialogues here in Streamlabs Alert. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.